What's up, everybody? Destination Eddie here. We are here in Corona at Tom's Farm for Hallows Eve Inc, guys. We are out here. They're getting ready to do some more scary, spooky haunt. Yes, guys, we are out here having some fun. We're gonna go inside. We're gonna ride the train, do the maze. I can't wait to go and do it. We did it last year. We did it the year before. We did it the year before, and now that we're back, thank you, Hallows Eve Inc, for inviting us out for media. So blessed. Thank you so much. Now let's get our scare on. Are you guys ready for this? Let's do it. Oh my goodness, guys. We are ready in case we don't make it out. It's gonna be a scary maze. We might be taking our last ride right here in this car. Look at this. Are you guys ready for it? Oh my goodness. Turn this light off. Look at that. Woo.
Be careful.
It's almost time, guys. Crazy scary. Daniel's there filming.
I am.
He's ready.
I am.
You ready for this, brother?
I look forward to it every year. We're back in Corona.
Guys, of course, we're here with Real Family Adventures and Memories. We can't wait. It's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be cool. You ready for this?
Oh, it's going to be awesome. Now they have a maze plus the scared
and the train.
Oh, man.
It's going to be good, guys.
Yeah.
It's going to be good. Oh, my goodness. Daniel, I think he's ready for us.
Yeah. He said he's ready, so there's no backing out now.
Nope. We could, but it's not going to end well.
Yeah. Okay, guys, I warned you.
Oh, we should do that one. That one's
right. One sneak here. Oh, yeah.
He's ready.
That's right. Be ready, man, because that's right.
We're not the only ones that they scare. Maze Monsters made it out. Sorry, gentlemen, but you need to wait for the next ride. And we will not tell you nothing about it. Goodness. Oh, yeah, there's two. Oh, what?
Dang, like that?
Just like that?
Like that? Oh.
Really? Oh, man.
You gotta love us, not hate us.
We'll make you famous.
I'm a lover, not a fighter. All right, guys. Here we go.
Here we go.
All right, if you guys know it, ready? Yeah. Even like the OGO part of it.
Already.
Train it.
He's right there, guys. Oh my goodness.
Like these monsters are getting ready for Christmas.
They jump on, guys. They do. What? Off we go. Booty shot. We made it back alive.
Was it worth it?
All right, guys, we're about to go inside the maze. We're gonna do it regular style and infrared style. It's gonna be two different versions. Are you guys ready for this? Let's do it. You guys ready to have some fun? Yeah, there we go, guys. All Hallows Eve Inc, guys, here at Tom Farms, that's how we're doing it. We're gonna go inside and have some fun. Look at this. Oh, everybody's ready. All right, guys, have a good one. All right, here we go. Oh my goodness, what is going on here? Oh my goodness.
Those who would soon disappear.
Eddie, look to your right.
Twisted death.
What is,
Good.
really? Why do I gotta be in the rear?
Viewer discretion is advised.
Go back in there! What? Oh my goodness! Oh! Oh my God! That is oh my goodness! Guys, this is crazy! Oh my! Whoa! Oh! She needs help, guys!
Help me! Help me!
Oh no!
Help me! Help me!
Ah!
Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me! Don't let him get you! Help me! Help me! Help me!
Follow us!
Help me! Help me!
Oh!
She's gonna get you!
Who's gonna get us? Oh my God! Oh what?
We're in the dark.
What's going on? What's going? Oh no! What is this? No, I can't go that way. Where did? Oh, whoa! What? Oh. No! Oh.
Come play with us! You would make such a perfect toy!
Oh!
Come play!
I am not a toy! all these dolls. What? Guys, behind me. Oh, what? Guys, they need help here. Oh, can we get them out? Oh no! Okay, we made it out so far. Oh. Oh! Oh my goodness.
Welcome to my nightmare.
Oh, the nightmare is done. Oh, shoot. All right, guys, double camera. That was insane.
I don't think you got my good side.
What? Oh my god. Guys, Freddy. My gosh. All right, guys, this was a lot of fun. I got both cameras. Look, you guys can see how it is. It was side to side the entire time. They were coming around from every angle, guys. It was insane. It was crazy. I think those girls still needed the help, but we got out of there before the time was done. So, guys, it was a lot of fun. Definitely check out All Hallows Eve Inc, guys. Come down here in Corona and check it out. It is an insane maze. Also, the train ride was so cool. All right, guys, on to our next destination. Let's do it. All right, guys. Daniel, what'd you think?
The best maze in a long time. It's just there's no comfort zone. So there's no like, okay, we know they're gonna come in front of us, behind us. They're everywhere.
They were everywhere. All right.
This maze. Okay, oh my god. I never been this scared. Like even Universal Horror Nights never scares me, but this definitely scared me.
Guys, this is his first media night. He got to experience it with us, with Real Family Adventures and Memories. Tell us about your channel.
My channel consists of, I do photography, I do vlogging, I do recaps of events I go to. So yeah, just check out my channel, subscribe and like if you want to.
Give him your channel one more time.
My channel is Tyler Disney Official.
You guys gonna see it right there. I'll put it right here in the description below, guys.
And please, he's being nice about it. Please subscribe to him and follow him. He's one of our good friends, and he's got a lot of stuff, a lot of stuff coming up.
Yeah. So
he just truly got scared. Look, there's monsters up, there's monsters down. They're around.
everywhere.
So make sure you're looking around. This is a full experience, guys. It's not just a little maze that you're gonna walk through.
Even the girls enjoyed it, huh, girls?
Yeah. We're gonna go through one more time, but without.
Yes, we're gonna go through. We're gonna go through again, guys. All right, let's go.
Bye.